Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and lubricate your speed cube. So today we're going to be lubricating the GAN 13. Should we grab our SIM card ejector adjustment tool, put that out of the way, so it can achieve perfect performance. This cube is already lubricated and set up just the way I like it. So that's basically our standard. Whereas this, you can just pop open the center cap, take a look at the settings. I believe out of the box it comes on 3 for the inner ring and then 3 for the outer ring also. So go ahead and adjust all these. Looks like they're going to the right, clockwise. So settings I would put on is 2 for the inner ring and 4 for the outer ring. So let's just go ahead and adjust all of those. Okay, we got all of them on 2 for the inner ring and 4 for the outer ring. Yes. Okay, now the cube is good, balanced. Still pretty dry though. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna disassemble the cube entirely, wipe it down. Just use a standard old towel. Just disassemble it. A tip for disassembling: when you pop an edge, if you're having trouble popping it, you might want to loosen the screw settings. If you're still having trouble, you might want to reevaluate how you're popping it. You just want to get your thumb right under there and just slightly pull it out. It's pretty straightforward. It's not that hard. Okay, then we're gonna wipe down any lube that's already on it or any dust or anything else. Now after you wipe down all the pieces, just go ahead and reassemble it.
A few moments later.
Now when you get to this point, it depends on what lube you're gonna put in it, because if you're using like lube, like an angstrom lube or like a weight 5 or something like that, you might want to keep it like this. That way you can get the lube good right where you're gonna lube it, like on the track or around the center. So I'm just gonna add some angstrom right now. The applicator. Just get it good right on the piece, track of the piece at least. More. Okay. Then just go ahead and put the pieces back in. Go ahead and get the lube distributed. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more angstrom. Just have to separate the pieces a little bit, get it right in there on the track. So while doing this, you don't want to add too much of the heavy lubes, or else it'll really slow your cube down way too much. So you just want to not do too much at a time, but there we go. Alright, I think that's good for angstrom. So I'm gonna add some FC Calm, maybe some FC Rush, side. Okay. Okay. Add some calm. A whole lot, but get that distributed. Maybe a little bit more calm. Okay, that should be enough of calm. And add a little bit of FC Rush next. Okay, not too much of this. We don't want it too fast. Alright, this should be good. Alrighty. Oh yeah, already starting to feel a lot better. Fast but controllable. That's what we want. Okay, so another thing. This is a Maglev cube, so you won't need to do this for any gain cube, I don't think. But say you have a cube that has a spring. The only cube I actually have that has a spring is my pitch cube. So you're gonna wanna lube it with a nice, heavy, thick lube. So in order to do that, you're gonna wanna, so first, pop the center cap. Then you're gonna wanna unscrew it using any screwdriver you have. Like here we have the Moyu screwdriver. You can just unscrew it to get a better shot at the spring. And you're gonna wanna lube the spring, not too much, but a fair amount, to where that way it like gets your cube more smooth. That way that gets rid of the spring noise. A nice easy way to avoid all this is just get a Maglev cube. But if you enjoy spring because it's more stable, or for any other reason, like weight 5 or like any other heavy lube, thick lube would be good. Just unscrew it, and then put the lube in there, and then break it in. You're gonna want to do on every single side though. So, and also if you're lubing a cube with weight 5, don't get it on the piece, get it on the track of the piece, down in the center. Because if you get on the piece, it's going to slow your cube down way too much. Whereas on the track, it'll still slow it down a lot, but not as too drastic as if you were doing it on a piece. So, those are for different kinds of lubes. Okay, so I always have to do when testing a lube setup, you gotta do a solve. Scramble in here. Okay. Okay, 20. That's pretty good. For me, at least. Definitely not the fastest. Okay. So, basically, when you're lubing a cube or setting it up, so you're just going to want to add lube not too much, because if you add too much, it'll really ruin the feel of your cube, and you want to be careful, because If you don't know what you're doing, you might really ruin the feel of your cube. So you actually want to know what you're doing, what lube you're putting in, and how that lube is going to affect your cube. Like FC Calm will keep it a little bit controllable, not slow it down too much. And I want to add as much lube when you're mixing lubes, because then that will just be way too much lube for your cube. Also, when you're setting up your cube, like if you pop the center cap, the lower numbers are if it's going to make the cube more loose. So the higher the number, the tighter your cube, the setting is going to be. So yeah, that's just a basic overview of how to lubricate and set up your speed cube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.